Living in Hong Kong, a comprehensive guide for immigrants. Introduction. Hong Kong, the shimmering skyline against the backdrop of majestic mountains, is more than just an iconic Asian metropolis. This special administrative region of China presents a fascinating blend of Eastern traditions and Western modernity. As a potential immigrant, there are key considerations to understand before embracing the Hong Kong way of life. Housing and cost of living. Hong Kong often makes headlines for its sky-high real estate prices. One of the most densely populated cities globally, its vertical expansion has led to soaring apartment costs. A one-bedroom apartment in a prime city location could set you back anywhere between 15,000 Hong Kong dollars to 30,000 Hong Kong dollars per month. While daily expenses, including groceries, might feel comparable to other major cities, local markets can provide respite with more affordable choices. Source: Numbeo, Expertistan. Tax structure. For those wary of complicated tax structures, Hong Kong offers a breath of fresh air. Adopting a simple and relatively low tax framework, the maximum salary tax stands at a meager 15%. Further sweetening the deal, there's an absence of capital gains tax, VAT or GST, and inheritance tax. For businesses, the profits tax is pegged at a competitive 16.5%. Source: Inland Revenue Department of Hong Kong. Employment and entrepreneurial opportunities. Hong Kong's reputation as a global financial hub isn't unfounded. With a robust presence in sectors like banking, trading, and finance, job opportunities abound. The rise of the digital age has also seen a burgeoning startup scene, particularly in fintech, logistics, and tech-based sectors. A command over English, combined with Cantonese basics, can prove to be a formidable advantage in the job market. Source: InvestHK. Quality of life. Hong Kong's dynamic lifestyle might seem overwhelming initially, but many find themselves captivated by its rhythm soon enough. With an efficient public transport system, diverse culinary scene, and an array of recreational activities, there's never a dull moment. However, be prepared to occasionally grapple with challenges like air pollution and crowd congestion. Source: Mercer's Quality of Living Survey. Education and social integration. Offering a plethora of both local and international schools, Hong Kong ensures top-notch education standards. Prestigious universities like the University of Hong Kong, HKU, have marked their presence on the global stage. And for those seeking a sense of community, numerous expat groups and clubs provide ample avenues to integrate and socialize. Source: Education Bureau of Hong Kong. Healthcare provisions. In terms of healthcare, Hong Kong stands tall with its state-of-the-art facilities and a pool of skilled medical professionals. While the public healthcare system offers highly subsidized care, the private sector provides expedited services, albeit at a steeper price. Source: Hospital Authority of Hong Kong. Navigating immigration and legalities. Moving to Hong Kong involves understanding its visa and immigration policies. Several visa categories cater to professionals, entrepreneurs, and Chinese residents. General criteria for most visas include proof of genuine job offer, financial stability, clean criminal record, and relevant professional qualifications. Once all paperwork is in place, the processing time is typically around 4 to 8 weeks. Source: Immigration Department of the Hong Kong Special Administrative Region. Embracing cultural and linguistic nuances. Hong Kong's unique identity stems from its intricate tapestry of cultures. While Cantonese reigns supreme, English finds its place in official and business circles. Adapting to local customs, festivals, and even savoring the rich culinary delights can significantly enhance the immigrant experience in this bustling metropolis. Source: Hong Kong Tourism Board. Conclusion: Hong Kong, with its myriad offerings, is a land of opportunities and contrasts. From its financial might to its cultural richness, the city promises a unique experience for those willing to immerse themselves. However, as with any major life decision, it's essential to be well prepared and informed before embarking on this journey.